Hello. A quick question from my side. What is good social media content? I have a pretty simple answer on this, and I keep sharing this answer for weeks, if not months right now. To me, good social media content is whatever you put out there which makes a person laugh, smile, think, or make him learn something. Everything which falls into those categories is a good video, a good posting, a good meme, a good picture. Whatever medium you're gonna use, may it be TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, if that's still a deal, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. It really doesn't matter. And I decide for subscriptions, likes, especially on YouTube, and also for like stronger subscriptions it takes a little more, but for just a like it's basically this pattern. And if I think back, sometimes I don't even realize or remember anymore what made me laugh, what made me smile. And the likes help me a little to look back on it. I've just had an example on TikTok. There were two people from the Swiss Army making a TikTok video with one of their friends. That was funny. And I liked it because I do know how it feels as a creator if someone is liking your content, is retweeting it on Twitter, or even you get a feedback like a comment, someone calls you up, someone gives you a phone call, whatever, drops you a message on iMessage, WhatsApp. There's so many options. And yesterday I had a retweet from Cora when it came to my YouTube journey. So I have like 208-ish videos published, plus a few which I took down. So it's probably more. And yes, there are short videos, edited videos. There are videos where I'm just rambly talking like this one. There are videos in landscape and portrait. There's some nature stuff where I thought, oh, that looks nice, and it turned out on a video it didn't look that nice, but it's part of the process, so I can work on it. Like yesterday I uploaded the video from the thunderstorm which we had over Zurich. Unfortunately the thunderstorm was a little too far away, so you just saw the bright sky, and the city was a little too dark for my phone to get a proper exposure. Okay, I got the point. Is it still something where people might watch it? I don't know. I'll have a look later. If I get a like, I'm happy. Because one person was liking it so much that he took a finger and put a like on it. And if that is the outcome of one of my videos, I'm already happy. Because it changed the other person's life. And if it's a like, I hope it's in a positive way. And that goes on. That goes on with my train rides. That's one of the first feedbacks I got, that, hey, you posted this train ride video and I was watching it while I was doing some YouTube work. It was like mind-blowing for me, because I would never do that. But, and this resonated with so many people. It's an old saying. I don't even know the source of it, but I've usually used that in German, but also in English. The lure has to be tasty for the fish, not for the fisherman. So I'm completely fine with creating videos I would not watch, because I make videos which I want to make. That does not necessarily mean that I want to watch them. This is especially true for intellectual content, where I give you advices on stuff, because by the time I make the video I already know the content. So I don't need to watch another nomadic video from myself on what is in my backpack. I mean, that's kind of obvious. But on the other hand, I'm thinking, if whatever you do gives another person a moment of, oh yeah, like that framing. Greetings to Jesse, by the way. When it's on the Twitter posting, you just a sentence you post, just your opinion. Be respectful, yes, and be helpful. Be a guide to other people. Even if it's just like small things where you have an opinion, or maybe you have a solution even for a problem of another person. don't shy away. And if you think, I don't know if I want to have that public, send them a DM. Send them a DM. Especially when you want to explain something more. I had this with Afan lately, where he had a posting about accents and speaking English when you have English as a second language. I put a post on it because it was my opinion, but I had a more personal opinion too. And I wrote him a DM telling him my personal opinion. Unfiltered. Deep from the heart. So this is social media content with a restricted audience, which is completely fine as well. And therefore, if you wonder if you have anything to contribute and you are not sure about the quality, don't be your judge when you put out content there. Let your audience be your judge. If you take the role of the judge and the artist and the sportsman, however you call it, at the same spot, that makes no sense. Because if you do all this together, you're probably judging yourself in the wrong way. And especially if you have to put yourself in the mind of 7 billion or more people. And yes, if you're niching down, you need your audience, or you need some sort of audience fit with the content you're making. But as long as you just start, be yourself, the audience will find you. And then later on you can see if you have to, or can or want to make sort of content which you get a better feedback on, which resonates more to your existing audience. And then your growth will come. So it's funny to say that from my perspective. I have 249 subscribers. I lost in my whole journey, I think, another 30, 40 easily, without deeply thinking about it. Because it's like 3 steps forward and 2 steps back. But I'm moving forward. It could be faster, it could be slower, that's all fine. But at the moment, I'm happy that I make content. And I'm happy that if you watch this video and you think, okay, so my meme last week, my phrase last week, my video where I made a hiccup in one of my recordings made someone smile? Yeah, that's a good video. And if I watch it and I have a good laugh, I will let you know. I will let you know in the comment section. I will leave a like so we all can move forward. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. And I try to put something here with a new video or a playlist. And see you next time.